Hi, I'm Mike Sanderson, owner of Auto Service Experts in Grove City. Since 2010, we've been your trusted partner for comprehensive auto care, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and safely. Our services cover all aspects of vehicle maintenance and repair. For routine upkeep, we offer scheduled maintenance at 30K, 60K, 90K, and 120K miles, along with oil changes and tire services to keep your car in peak condition. When it comes to repairs, our ASE-certified technicians handle everything from brake services and engine diagnostics to electrical repairs and drivetrain issues. We also specialize in advanced systems like ADAS, Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, to ensure your vehicle's safety features are functioning optimally. Understanding the unique needs of modern vehicles, we provide dedicated services for electric and hybrid models, ensuring they receive the specialized care they require. We're committed to making your experience as convenient as possible. That's why we offer after-hours drop-off, Wi-Fi in our waiting area, and a shuttle service to get you where you need to go. Plus, 5-year or 50,000-mile local warranty gives you peace of mind long after you've left our shop. At Auto Service Experts, we treat your vehicle as if it were our own, providing honest, high-quality service every time. If your car needs maintenance or repair, visit our website or call us at 614-808-8340 to schedule an appointment. We look forward to serving you and keeping your vehicle on the road for years to come.